In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password on your Doordash account. Changing your password regularly is a great habit for maintaining security and ensuring your account stays protected. Whether you're updating your password for security reasons or simply because it's time for a refresh, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Let's start by opening up the Doordash app on your mobile device. If you don't have the app installed, make sure to download it from your device's app store. Once you're on the home screen, take a look at the bottom of the screen. On the right side, you'll see the Account option. Let's go ahead and tap on that. The Account section is your go-to place for tweaking your personal settings on Doordash. Scroll down a bit and you'll spot the Profile option. Give that a tap and we're getting closer to where we want to be. The Profile area is where all your personal account information is stored, from your name and email to your contact number. Now for the main event, look for the option that says Change Password. It should be toward the middle of the screen. Clicking on this will take you to a new screen where you can update your password. You'll see fields for your current password, your new password, and a confirmation for the new one. It's important to take a moment here to think of a strong password, something that's unique, with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for added security. Enter your current password in the first field. If you've forgotten it, you might need to go through a password recovery process first. Next, enter your new password in both the second and third fields, making sure they match exactly. Some good practices when creating passwords include avoiding easily guessable information like birthdays or simple sequences such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you're satisfied with your new password, go ahead and save it. Once you've successfully updated your password, you should see a confirmation message indicating your changes have been saved. It's a good idea to log out and log back in using your new password to ensure everything's working smoothly. And there you have it. Your Doordash account should now be secured with your updated password. Changing your password is a proactive step in keeping your personal information safe. Aim to do this every few months or whenever you feel it might have been compromised. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more practical tips and guides. Thank you for watching and have a great day.